This matter is becoming very serious. So, guys, I'm going to allow you watch this video, but let me say something before I play the video of the man in the aircraft. This man had boarded. I don't know the conversation he was having with his friend, but the next thing they heard, they didn't show us the part where the man said the thing, but the next thing we saw them beating him inside the plane, dragging him out. He was shouting. So people are saying that the guy is from the APC. They're trying to do this to, blame it on the obedient people. But then again, even if this man is not APC, even if he's not Labour Party, he's not PDP, like Peter Obi said, you have not won an election if you have not won the people. If you have not won the people, it means you've not won an election. A lot of people are angry. Even those who are not party members, they are angry that this man is going to be sworn in. But like I made a video and somebody was asking me, can they finish the law cases before they swear the man in? I said, no, you don't need to finish the law cases. You can swear the person in. And when the court sees that the person is not supposed to be, they will still, remove the person and either go back to the polling booth or anything else. So they will either cancel the election, redo another one, or the court will decide. But in this case, this man said Tinubu should not be sworn in. It shows that even on the street, even in the market, when you interview people, you hear what they are saying. With the way this man is writing to NBA, petitioning, and also arresting people, and then people being bullied and thrown out of an aircraft, it shows that we are not even going to enjoy this government. He himself is not, doing things the way he's supposed to do. The people around him are not even advising him rightly. How can you are not even a president yet? They've not sworn you in. You have started, exacting so much powers. Well, let me play the video here. It's for you guys to see. Keep watching, guys.
Give way. You want to keep this plane down? But this guy, you embarrassed himself. Give way. You guys have to do that business. You have to move. Your hand, your leg. I'm afraid of my glasses, so this man should not hit me. I'm not dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is getting serious in this country. May God help us for giving us this kind. I don't know if I will say God gave us this kind of person. I don't know what is going to become of Nigerians. Please, guys, like.